Yeah, that's why I'm here. Get out of my way.
You have a key too.
Yeah, I know. Oh my god. No. Did you read it?
Yeah.
You have nothing to say? What's wrong
I
with
made
you,
a
man?
face.
You have no, like, life left in you. Seriously? Get up, dude. You're about to play, man. Every time you find the mirror, we switch.
No.
Yes, those were the rules.
But last time I didn't switch.
Okay, and I didn't either that one time. I kept going.
Thank you for the follow, Plum.
I kept going.
Keep going.
I kept going so it was balanced out. Now it's your turn.
I might be a little tired.
Seriously? What's happening? Are we giving up? Are you a quitter?
No, we got this.
Okay, then get your head in the game, man.
My head is so in the game.
I cannot really deal right now with that type of, like, negativity in my life.
What negativity?
Of you, like, ma'am, time. What's going on? Yeah, that's what I'm trying to get her to do. All she does is lie down.
I'm trying to get comfy. These fucking chairs are really uncomfortable.
Comfy. We're not doing this to get comfy.
They hurt.
Why don't you go eat something?
Why?
Oh my god. This is going to hell real
Like
fast.
What?
I can't handle this anymore. I'm freaking out, guys. The sniper already takes your heads off in one shot, though.
Mm.
So who's gonna pick the key? You gonna pick it?
You.
Why me?
Because.
You sure you don't want to pick it?
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna regret it. You don't pick it. You're not picking it? Okay.
No comfy. What are we paying you for?
Now comes the hardest part of the 24-hour stream, the finishing stretch.
Yeah,
man. She's like wigging out on us.
You're having your moments too, man.
Not like this.
Like what?
Not like where I'm like lying down. So what, you're not gonna allow me to switch it or
Like,
what?
what are you doing right now?
I'm gonna save.
Why are you playing it through the...
I don't know. I'm like looking at OBS.
Yeah, what's wrong with you?
So no switch then. I'll just go die.
The fuck? That one like appeared out of nowhere?
Sleep deprivation is a trip. 100%, man. I've hallucinated from this stuff.
For 24 hours?
No, but maybe.
More than 24 hours.
This guy.
Look, you're missing fucking fingers.
You think that the aiming is so good on this?
When my daughter was born, I stayed up from 4 days straight. My wife didn't want the baby to leave our hospital room. Aw. Thank you for the follow.
Did you see that shot? Watch that. Watch that on the replay. Tell me that's not clutch.
Wow.
Come on. Come on. Give me some props. For a sleep-deprived guy, that was pretty good. I'm proud of that. Thank you, Jake. But these are the ones that automatically explode when I get near them.
Yeah.
So I can't disengage them anyways. Mm-hmm. So what's the point?
Just fucking let them explode. And then jump out, like leave.
I think they're...
Get close enough to activate.
Their default.
Go, 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 go! You're streaming them worth it. Thank you for the follow, Cammy, thebomb.com.
I don't know if this room is worth the trouble.
I wish it would activate all of them.
Yeah, I know, right? You think one blowing up would detonate the
Let's
others?
go to McDermall's and get a McFlurry.
That's nasty, man. All that sugar and shit. See, I was gonna throw a grenade in here and see what happened. Did it. Give me my jelly. Open. No. Okay. So all that was in there was jelly? First, we gotta be evil with that.
Fucking, let's go like driving around like my old days. Me and my friends would just cruise around the area. Ruh-roh. Yes, this is our first 24-hour stream. What the hell? This crazy guy. Damn.
Please don't hurt me. Oh, that was my Magnum? No wonder it turned out so good. Thanks for the jelly, mate.
Every Monday? You're funny. You're funny, Billy. You're the funniest.
Are you shitting me?
He saw you. You should, yeah, like hide. Go, like run as fast as you can, as far as you can. He's coming up here. Yo, go into the fucking place. Shit.
I fucked up, guys.
We actually already danced, and then I guess the what's the word?
The adrenaline.
The recommendation was to stop dancing.
No, I'm not going in there.
Is he coming up here?
All this may be.
Watch, he's probably like right behind you.
There he is.
Jacob abusing Bev while dancing. There he is.
I was not abusing Bev. I was strutting my stuff and she got in the way a couple times.
He like knocked me out with his butt.
Hey, you're the one that hit me with the Wiimote and I like passed out for a second.
I don't have any energy drinks. And I don't really know if I want to do caffeine right now. We stopped because Jacob was getting worn out and you wouldn't choose a song, Bev. I chose a song.
And I didn't want to stop, mind you.
I had like a whole different thing I wanted to do.
Okay, so what is that down there that's like up against
It looks like a
wall?
person. An enemy.
And it's probably alive, yeah. And why is he coming back?
Careful. He's just making his rounds. Just wait. Be careful though, he might come into this room. You're just gonna punch him in the face.
Fuck yeah, I am.
Okay, 1, 2, turns around. Very slow. Shit.
It's a trap! Fucking scams! Oh.
Oh, fuck. That, but the K-pop thing or whatever you said would have taken a long time.
I'm getting hungry now. We gotta do that super spicy ramen noodle, dude.
Whatevs. Oops.
I'm not looking forward to that. Cause that's gonna make you feel almost like that ghost pepper sauce made me feel.
Ew. I don't care for that. It's just jelly.
Seriously? You gotta head down. That's the way I came. You haven't even been paying attention all this time. I'm getting hungry.
Go eat.
Yeah, man, we got plenty of explosive bolts.
Should I try it?
You gonna blow them up?
How do I do this?
You gotta go to the boat. Unbelievable.
But how do I change?
You gotta, it's on shock, it's on freeze, it's on flash, it's on harpoon, it's on cinder, it's on poisonous explosive. You wanna buy it? There you go. You got one. Load that bad boy. Oh, that's right. After I died, I made bolts, but it didn't save.
Oh,
Nice.
shit.
Dead.
I fucked up. I might as well just die. Let him kill me. There you go.
Damn. Just giving up like that, huh? Like a chump. Giving up like a chump. Where's Link?
Sleeping.
So I'm not gonna grab the jelly because no one likes it. It makes me sad though.
I love you too, Billy. Heart.
It's sad, man. No one likes the jelly.
Jacob sounds so sad.
Ah, yeah, I love the jelly.
Jacob is QQ.
Every day I love my jelly. Fuck yeah, you bitch boy.
Damn. Go burn him. Fuck.
The prompt never came up. It's not my fault.
There we go. Now he did.
That's what happens when you play this shit on hard mode. JK. What's wrong with you, man? One of those. Look at that. Look at the way. Look at the way. Look at the blood splatter. Here, there, here.
It's gone now. Careful!
But the blood!
Disarm it.
I'm trying, dude.
Are you?
This is the bad one.
Okay, don't do it.
I didn't push anything. I didn't push anything. You only have one round.
Oh my god. This is the bad one. Ugh.
He's coming for you.
Ah, shit.
I thought that was him saying it to
Out
you.
of ammo. Damn, dude.
Ah, man, that
Oh,
was
fuck.
so funny. Can you flex muscle for fanboys? Oh, yeah.
The fuck is that?
Get a load of those.
There's nothing there.
Wow, you know what? Fuck you. Just for that.
I'm just kidding.
Solo stream Bev time.
I
Because I got.
No. They want you. Oh shit. Is he coming back? His shadow's tripping me out. I'm just kidding. I don't have anything either. Oh! Aye! Burn, bitch! That's right. We want Jacob. Well, too bad. You have me, so deal with it. Fuck you. Jacob went to pump some iron. Wink wonk. Maybe I should let it explode. I'm so scared. He'll be back as soon as he looks like the Terminator. Let's see if he looks like the Terminator.
I don't feel good.
Whoops.
Oof.
It's okay, I got this.
What happened? We got a clip?
I don't know.
Billy's clipping stuff?
Billy, you clipping stuff?
Like, my tummy's like really tender, like right here behind like my belly
Really?
button. Yeah.
When did it start? Was it dancing?
No, it like just started. Like right before I went to like get up.
What is that though? We have another message there.
What?
Oh, I thought we had.
You sent us 2 clips. What happened with this? Oh, there's a reflex of my muscle.
They told me they wanted you.
That's good.
We want Jacob, they said. It's there. There's proof.
I feel good about that.
Yeah.
This one's to work out.
And you know what I told them?
What?
I told them, too bad they have me, so they have to deal with it.
Yeah. Like, it feels like my tummy, like if I'm like hunched over like this, it doesn't hurt as bad. But then when I try to like sit up and like I'm being straightened, it like hurts. No, Billy, please clip away. Please, Billy. I like the clips, to be honest. I love it when you guys clip stuff. I love it, love it, love it. Please keep clipping.
Maybe not. Sometimes I just don't know. Sometimes I don't know what I should do.
Clips are some of my favorite things.
Yes.
About Twitch, I love the clips. So you made it past the spot? Did you do it with decent ammo?
Maybe. Ooh, big jelly.
We need to like go back and watch all our clips sometime.
Let's do it. Let's do it tonight.
I feel like it should be like a 1-year anniversary.
Ah, shit.
Oh, I see you been shitting up that.
Oh, fuck.
Oh my god. It's not even explosive. Wow, machine gun zombies. Thanks, Mikami.
Shit, I should have aimed for the head. Are you serious?
Like, I don't even know what I'm up against right now.
Kiss clip, best clip.
I think I missed so much.
I kiss you. Thanks for the follow, Death.
That's how you know you're going places in life.
When Death followed you.
Yeah.
Do you need to like let out a fart?
No, I tried.
You tried?
Yeah.
And it didn't work?
No, I peed.
Like you can't fart or?
I don't need to fart.
You don't need to fart?
I don't need to fart right now. Okay, so what's on the itinerary here? There's a snipes. Thought you had jelly here. Oh.
Chat your beats. Thank you for the follow, Henry.
Okay.
7-Eleven. We're at 7-Eleven, guys.
Damn. So we got
hashtag thanks.
So we've got 5 wheel spins.
Chat your baits.
And then we're gonna be coming up on another
Free my
Damn,
cams.
you use all the explosive bolts, really?
Baby.
Oh wait.
We only had 1 explosive bolt.
Yeah,
right?
none of them were made. My bad. It's because we make them and then we die.
I know we had 530 followers at the beginning. Was it? No.
No, we were at 600.
We were at 600 something.
Because that's what gave us the idea to do this. Think I can do it?
Nope. He's like, what the fuck was that? Why?
What?
Why?
Why what?
Why'd you do him?
I don't know. I wanted to do something.
You should have done him. He's gonna get back up. Is it happening to me too? What?
Why can't I go anywhere?
Because you're stuck, bitch.
For reals? That kid time.
He's like,
Is it happening to me too? I think it is, Jake. So don't shoot that guy first. What I would do is I would just use the explosive bolt on the Griffin. So, how many blocks do you think I'd have done if I would have kept blocking?
maybe half,
Half?
maybe more.
That'd be cool. I wish I was halfway through those blocks.
The fuck? I want to put it on his head.
Dude, it doesn't matter. Remember, you hold it to charge it. And it goes further. Pop the other one on him.
Oh, that blew him up.
Take cover. You got the sniper and you got the machine guy coming. Make haste, make haste.
Oh shit. I don't know why I did that. I'm
Burn
sorry.
him. Should've reloaded, girl. Dead. You're one shot away from dying. You are about to die.
Should I medkit?
Yeah, man.
Oh. Oh yeah.
Damn, that's some strong shit.
Hell yeah. Fuck, and I'm gonna die. Ah! Serious? I wanted to do it! Fuck this guy! Some motherfucker is still here shooting. Oh, it's this guy!
It's the guy
Do we have
in the
snipers?
tree. Yeah, man. Whoa.
Ah!
Ha ha. Like, what are we gonna do when the fidget spinner stops spinning so smoothly?
Yeah.
Satisfied?
Yes. Ha 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 what? What? When he ducked.
Ah, snap. There's a thread on NeoGAF called Teddy versus Morgan.
Aish! What does this mean? Oh yeah, baby. Big boy.
Person passes gas on American Airlines plane, forces all passengers off.
Oh.
Sound request isn't on right now, Billy. I apologize for the inconvenience.
Is he doing the Biebers?
Yeah, he is. Of course he is.
Billy's so cute.
But when we do turn it on, it will be in the queue and ready to go.
Ooh, I fucking hate that.
Pretty sure, right?
I'm like so fucking ready. And then it like...
Baby,
big boy.
Baby, baby, oh.
Oh!
Holy shit, did you see his face?
Yes.
Oh my god, that was amazing. That was incredible. I remember seeing stuff like that before this game came out and being like blown away. Like, that's incredible.
Can I like jump over the chairs?
Why don't you just disarm the trap?
Can you? The bear traps?
What is
I
it
guess.
say? I realize you guys are playing a lot.
Holy shit. Oh, the dude's face.
I'm gonna be honest right now.
What?
It's good to be here.
Where? Wake up!
I'm awake. My eyes are open.
They weren't.
Yeah, they were. Baby, 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 oh.
Oh yeah. Ugh. Fuck yeah. Yeah, I know, right? He took it like it was nothing. Asshole. Look at this fucker. Aye. Oh no, I'm exploded!
That was the
Look, he
Chibli
took himself out too, asshole.
acapella remix. You see, that's me in D&D with my goblins. I know there's no hope for me, so the best I can do.
Dude, what the fuck? I like.
Watch that replay. Watch.